I am unboxing a privacy screen that I ordered on Amazon. It came very nicely packaged and it was very easy to remove from all of the plastic. This is Luna. She gets a booty scratch. So once I snipped everything off, I recycled the plastic and then I'm going to unfold it. They included zip ties inside, enough for the whole bag. Then we just unfold the whole thing to the length of my fence. I wanted to capture this all on camera so you can see, but it's as simple as finding the two ends and pulling them apart. The size of this one is 50 feet by 6 feet, and you could probably iron out or steam out the wrinkles. I'm too lazy and didn't really care. Once it's the full length of the fence, you want to tack it up and make sure you like it. I zip tied the corners and then every 3 or 4 holes to make sure it looked good and fit. You can move it if necessary, and then you can go in and fill the rest with zip ties. I really like the way it turned out. They're not completely opaque, but it really helps bring down visibility and makes your yard feel more private. Dogs can still peek under, which is kind of nice for them. They like being able to see. I did the other side too. This one is white, which is interesting because it adds even less visibility. I also painted a floral mural on it, which I thought looked pretty. And then the green blends in more. So they have a few colors on Amazon. Get whatever you think is best for your yard. Overall, I'm really happy with them, and they were super easy to put up. They took less than 1 hour each. I would highly recommend for anyone with a chain link fence that wants more privacy. Thanks for watching!